The problem is integration. Now, typically on most projects, you will develop an application, and then right at the end, when you go into sit, that's when you actually do the integration, because you don't have those backends available in the development phase, and that's where your problem is. You'll often find issues with the actual integration there. So OdeSIM is basically a simulator that allows you to mock these backends. Now, there are some simulators out there that will let you mock a single backend, so you can use SOAP UI to do that, whereas OdeSIM allows you to orchestrate across services. So an input that goes into one service can then be carried across and emulated back in another service. This is a really good idea because it allows you to reduce risk in your project, so you can integrate very early on and see if there's any issues. There's also some other benefits, such as when you do go into live and there's an issue, you can basically take the third-party request from your logs, put them into the simulator, and then you can replay that defect. Okay, so there's no sexy UI, but we'll show you using the REST client. So this is a sample SOAP message that we've prepared and that we're simulating. So in this case, we're doing a get person with first name John, last name Smith. So when you send that off to the simulator, it responds with John Smith, who lives in Sydney. And we've simulated another request for an update person. So again, we've got John Smith, and now we're going to change his address to Canberra. So when we send that off, we get the response here saying his address is Canberra. And then when we go back to the original service and say get person, that should be updated to Canberra. So that shows how you can orchestrate simulation between multiple services. My name is James Odecee. I'm a back-end software engineer at Odecee, and OdeSIM is my Sparrow idea.